Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Boxycharm. And again, Boxycharm and Ipsy Glam are the only boxes that I sit down and record and put up on the very same day. This is gonna be a little difficult because I've already put up a video today. I'm about to go live in about 12 minutes. So I need to get this box done. I'm probably gonna put Ipsy Plus up today and not Boxycharm. I'll leave Boxycharm for tomorrow. But so you get a thing and it tells you all the products and what they are worth. Ooh, and the first thing I am pulling out is a palette, a Violet Voss palette essentials. And ooh, that's pretty. So I think that this is also kind of reminiscent of the palette that I just unboxed in Ipsy Plus, but that's okay. It's pretty. I might think about this. I do love Violet Voss shadows. It's one of my favorite brands to dip into, but I'll think about this. I might pass this along to one of you guys. So this retails for $29. The next thing I am pulling out is a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And I know that Dr. Brandt is a really good brand. Let's see, that retails for $52. Wow. And this is another thing that I will think about, whether I pass it along to you guys or I keep it. You guys know how I am with masks. I have them out the wazoo. The next thing I am pulling out is a 5-piece brush kit from Moda Pro. I do like Moda brushes, and I will keep these. I'm not going to open them right now, but I will keep these. These retail for $27.95. I don't know when the last time was that I bought a Moda brush, but I know that I do like them a lot. So you know what? Let me go ahead and open them up. Maybe I'll take them downstairs for my live and use them, because Lord knows I need to clean brushes. Okay, so that's really soft. I do like that. That's nice. And let's see, that's nice too. And then these 3 brushes. Ooh, I'm trying to rush through this. Sorry, you guys. But that is, okay. I like those. I do. Ooh, and this is very similar to the brushes that I enjoy using in my crease, so that's awesome. Did I tell you those retail for... Where'd it go? Oh, $27.95. I did say that. So the next thing I am pulling out is a Hank and Henry Blickety Black eyeliner, and it does have a safety seal all the way around it, so I am not going to open that. That retails, oh, it has a shaky thing in it. That retails for $20. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is the Microblade Effect Brow Pen by Billion Dollar Brows. And that also has a safety seal. If that is any indication of the color, I'm going to have to pass that along. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs. Oh, you know what? I saw Just Anne. Maybe I'll keep it because it's a new gimmicky sort of a thing, and I want to try it to see if it works. But it has like little spikes. I'm not going to open it, but it has like little spikes sort of a thing. I'm not going to open it because it does have a safety seal, but this retails for $18. And it says it's supposed to give you a great microblade effect without the blade. So we will see how that goes over. Okay, you guys, so just to recap real quick, I need to get downstairs and get my live started. We have the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask for $52. We have the Violet Voss Essentials palette for $29. We have these Moda brushes that I am taking downstairs with me. They retail for $27.95. A Hank and Henry eyeliner in black for $20. And this brow pencil for $18. All right, that was a Boxycharm for the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.